cover is Panaway. I like to think of Panaway as PAINaway. So if you ever forget what Panaway is for, think of it as PAINaway. Now, Panaway is for like muscle pain, headaches, cramps. You can just roll it on wherever is hurting. So let's say, for example, I have a headache. I can just take a drop and put it on the back of my neck and just roll it right there. You can put it on your temples, but you want to be careful because it can get in your eyes and it can sting. So if you happen to get essential oils in your eyes, please see my video on essential oil safety. I'll cover that. You could also put, what my husband and I do is we put Panaway in a roller and we make a muscle blend. So this is just like when we're feeling like our necks are hurting, our backs are hurting because we're getting old, and we just roll it all along like this and down our back and wherever it's hurting, and just really just roll it around. Panaway can also be really good for respiratory support because it has wintergreen in it. And it's also really good for inflammation because it has helichrysum and a lot of other essential oils in this blend that is great for inflammation. So there's your tips on how to use Panway.